Hello! Welcome to Short Clips for Little Bits. So glad that you're joining me today. Would you like to make some noise? Me too! How about the shaker song? Now my shaker's up and now my shaker's down. Now my shaker's dancing all around the town. Dancing by your shoulder, dancing by your head, dancing by your knees, tuck him into bed. Shaker, shaker, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Well, I hope you're doing great. We're going to make some more noise today. This is a very fun toy that makes special sounds. I'm going to see if you can guess what animal this is. Ready? I'm going to pull it down. Be really quiet.
The cow says.
The cow says, can you say it with me? Moo! Here's another animal sound for you. Ready?
This is a dog.
A dog. Can you be a dog? Great job. Here's one more animal sound. Ready?
This is a pig.
A pig? Can you make a pig sound? Oink, 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 oink. Great. Check out toys similar to this at the Family Resource Library.
Yeah.
Animal sounds are so much fun to make and to guess. I thought we'd read a book about animals. It's called Elusive Moose. Elusive means he likes to hide and not be seen very much. Maybe you can help me make the sounds for the animals in the book. Okay. Elusive moose. Far off in the north, I've seen horses with foals. I've spied beaver families and marmots and moles. I've met geese and goslings. I've crept very near. Have you ever fed the ducks before? I've seen a brown bear and I've seen caribou deer. Wow. What kind of sound would a bear make? At night, I've heard badgers and green frogs that leap. I bet you can make a frog noise. But I dream about moose as I slumber and sleep. Do you think he's ever saw one before? I've spotted fish, eagles, and cranes in the sky. I've seen grouse. I've seen squirrels that fly. Have you ever seen a flying squirrel before? I've tracked down moose hoof prints on land white with snow. Wonder why he could see the prints so well. I've seen Arctic foxes and hares come and go. Wow, what color are the little rabbits? That's another name for hares. But moose are elusive. Moose roam where they please. I wish I could see one just once. May I please? But I guess he really never got to see one. Why do you think that is? Maybe one day you'll be able to find one. I'm glad you were able to join me today. I hope you had fun making sounds. Maybe you could go and make some more noise. Have a great day. Till next week. Goodbye. 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 See you again next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Have a great day.